How to install Line app on iPhone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Line app on iPhone. For this, go ahead and tap on App Store. Now tap on search, and in the top search bar, type in Line and hit search. Here you'll be seeing the Line app right here. Tap on Get to install it. You'll be required to enter your Face ID. Enter it and wait for the installation. Once it's installed, you'll see the open right here. Tap on open and you can just log in with your existing account or sign up. And that's it. That's how you install Line app on iPhone device. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.